Hello, one and all. Thank you so much for being here to support our movie Raju Yadav. It really means a lot to me. It really means a lot to us. Uh, this project was really special, and it's been wonderful feeling to be here standing on a success meet of this movie. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to each and everyone who supported me. My co-star Sinu Garu, he was very supportive, very cooperative, very sweet. Thank you for taking care of me. Chari Garu, our director, thank you for having the belief in me for Sweetie's character. Thank you so much for all the cast and crew who worked for me in this movie. Thank you so much, everybody. మీరు మీరందరూ వచ్చి మమ్మల్ని మా సినిమాని సపోర్ట్ చేసినందుకు అందరికీ నిజంగా చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. Lastly, I would like to say thank you in my singing style. I would like to sing a few lines of a Telugu song. తరిమే వరమా తరిమే స్వరమా ఇదిగో ఈ జన్మ నీదని అంటున్నా వింటున్నావా 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 థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నైస్, బాగా నేర్చుకున్నారు తెలుగు లిరిక్స్.
Raju Yadav song. Uh, Next time I'll prepare. There is no female song in Raju Yadav. If Srinu will sing with me, then only I'll sing.
శ్రీనుకి అంత చుక్కలు చూపించిన తర్వాత ఇంకా పాటలు అవి ఇవి ఏమొస్తాయండి?